But since December, I can definitely say, yo, Alkaline get pushed back, you know. Masicka now, Masicka, we look for Masicka every move. And that type of attention, it will translate.
A few moments later.
And it look like, say, yo, Masicka the microwave in the dancehall right now.
Look, it's growing.
If you want your career to bounce back, if you want your career to heat up, just call Masicka name.
It's a massacre. Masicka is a massacre. No.
If you want to stay relevant, if you have to talk about the hot topics them. And Alkaline was the hot topic in a dancehall.
2,000 years later.
And we're going to be honest, bro. And Alkaline, you have to step up your game right now. The artist must say Alkaline.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Alkaline really was the main danger in a dancehall where you have to talk about as a vlogger.
One eternity later.
I talk the truth right now. Vendetta, yo, genocide, gone with it right now. All of
Move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how we the latest news them lock.
My Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things set. Yo, may I tell the people, 2026, nice. Can look here. You know, get to JA Radio. Now you're going to know who is Media Fox. You understand? Because look at JA Radio, may I ask you a question? Why make you delete the video them off of your channel? Your channel create from 2017, around October them time there. Where the live them, where the video them where you post, what happened? Oh, you does? What happened? Okay. True Vybz Kartel come out and you know get no interview. See? So you switch up. I tell you know people, Gaza, this are the same Gaza man who usually back in the days this up Alkaline, keep all funeral fee and one bag of something when him on the 6 hour. But how now? You I prep up Masicka. I remember say Masicka and the Gaza not good, you know. So True Vybz Kartel forward out now and some different vlogger for him and get the highlight from him, the interview and everything, and you not get none. You change, delete all of your video. Cause look here. You try look at forward back in the new year, you know. Cause I see you drop some video from with you, but look here now. Alkaline are the man. So you have to call for him name now for everybody in attention right now. Because look here now. You talk about relevance with Masicka, but you don't know, say brother. If you never call an Alkaline name right now, it would even make no sense, bro. Cause all the way you talk in the video, you better you never do it, bro. Cause I expect better from you, brother. You understand? I expect better from you, especially as a so-called Gaza man. But through the Gaza not really rep you more, you kind of switch up. That's why you push Masicka thing right now. But we understand. So people, get into the video.
But what I want to talk about today still is like the position of Alkaline right now in the equation, because Alkaline has been relatively quiet. I mean, what Gaza people come over here and say, yo, bro, why you try to resurrect it dead and rare? But you have to understand, Alkaline say my main danger in the dancehall. They say my key man. But I try to tell the vendetta them say, yo, it's a new day in dancehall right now. We know say Alkaline position himself as the opposition to Gaza for a long time. But I say throughout the entire incarceration of Vybz Kartel, Alkaline position himself as the direct opposition to Gaza, right? And that has actually propelled him to certain levels. But since December, I can definitely say, yo, Alkaline get pushed back in. Masicka now, Masicka, we look for Masicka every move. And that type of attention, it will translate. People are tuning in to see what Masicka next move. They want to see if Kartel will answer. People want to see.
J.A. Radio, you're a madman, dog. I'm going to tell you why you're a madman. Because, brother, from Kartel forward out from prison, you know, realize, you know, right now, Kartel can't relevant without Alkaline name. If you check Kartel interview them, the one when call Alkaline name, in it, I get the most views, bro. Alkaline name been a call. So wait there. So in the clash, how much artists come out at this Alkaline? Bro, Alkaline stay silent. Brother, the man will stay the most silent and him name a call. Him are the most relevant, bro. You understand? Not the one them out there liba where everybody has say, brother. You understand? The man always relevant for him boss Alkaline without saying nothing. You understand? Because look all night hurricane with you. Masicka them a give a package, everybody a give a package. And a Alkaline name a call. Yo, Alkaline forward out. Yo, him need to forward for the people. Bro, the man I top notch when it come to relevancy in a dancehall, bro. If you're not call Alkaline, ask the vlogger them. If you're not call Alkaline name, it don't make no sense. You're not getting no views, bro. You understand? Because you say, yo, you're a madness, brother. Because first of all, you could not talk about Tamale and Masicka for the year, no? But you bring in Alkaline. You understand? It shows that Alkaline is the man, brother. You see it?
What really happen if Gaza and genocide, them going to go at it like a Gaza and Gully. So it kind of, it bring interest and talk about, if nobody mention the name, bro. You think, Lily, It think Lily. I'm gonna be honest, bro. Alkaline, you have to step up the game right now. The artist Mr. Alkaline in the past 2 years had an interview with Cliff Hughes where we get certain little sound bites and mad thing and some little something. But overall though, the song them bad enough. Don't get me wrong, Vendetta people. Yo, man, I listen to Alkaline song them bad. Key man, bad. Yeah, I just go look up the Alkaline song them. For some reason I just can't remember Alkaline song them name. So we have discussed it.
Yo. Man say can't help remember Alkaline sang them name, but him a go name it out. Bro, you know in a sense, bro. It's like what you say, alright, if you say you go forward out and say Alkaline, it look bad for Alkaline for 2026. But you hear a call. Remember you not call out none of Masicka sang them, you know. A Alkaline sang them you call out, you know, brother. You know say you know in a sense. You say the man not relevant in a 2026, but are you a call the man name? Me not understand with them man, ya, brother. Especially them Gaza man, ya, bro. Cause him in him feelings through the Gaza to Cartel na show him the endorsement or nothing, you know. Cause him delete the whole line video them on him channel and I try refresh it now, I try rebrand it. But him a try use Alkaline now. You understand? Cause look at war going between Masicka and Tammy Lee. You not talk about them. You adding Alkaline. Say so Alkaline is the man, brother. You know in a sense.
That's something about it. It wasn't a hit, but it bad. Well, some have Earn Your Way. Feel like that one that the biggest one I have. I love that tune, the bad dog. Like anybody where I think about money, yo, you have to pre that song there. What else some have again? Earn Your Way, bad, you know. Dangerous Youth. Vendetta them probably like that one there still. I never really like that one there. Blanco, yo, hit. Blanco bad, but nah go around it. Yo, Blanco shot man, Blanco tough. Nah go around that one there. Him have some banger out there still, but it's like him been a put out song for the core. You understand? I feel like Alkaline kind of too lay back because Alkaline was anticipating a clash with Masicka. You can't tell based on all of the little antics and the little rhythm.
Yo, bro, you know what? Them man, you know, them don't know Alkaline, no, brother. It's a man that say Alkaline. Bro, Alkaline been lay back, brother. The man, that are just Alkaline thing. You understand? The man been lay back. You see it? Cause, you know, they in a dancehall for so much years and it's like, bro, that brother you know do social media, him not do this. The man well lay back, bro. You understand? But you know they out there in the media I chat one bag of thing when I'm in the same. But me understand still you try to get a little viral moment. Yeah man, and you go get it, you know. But just know say I eat this video, cause you don't know what you just do a while ago.
And they want to smoke. We been a seat. Masicka going in the cabin and shoot film video. Alkaline in the bush with him llama or whatever, with him goat or whatever. But no. So there was some clear signs of trolling, right? So Alkaline they definitely need a smoke there. And it look like say yo, Masicka the microwave in the dancehall right now. If you want your
Yo, that people, how much name Masicka go? Bro, the man named Genocide. See? Then him change to one side. Then him name the king. Him a the goat. Now this man named J.A. Radio. I go call Masicka microwave. People, who name microwave in a dancer? The popcorn. So much name Masicka have? And the crocs? Bro, with the bombard. Brother, me never know say I want animal with farming a different animals. Bro, yo, not dangerous.
career for bounce back. If you want your career to heat up, just call Masicka name. You can see it on YouTube streets right now. They say one thing with YouTube, it don't lie. YouTube is able to tell you who the front runner. I'm not talking about by the songs that boy drop. Just look on the artist name in the vlogger them title. Masicka now. Remember one time now, yo, as a vlogger, cause we out a long time and we understand the game. And it is a game. If you want to stay relevant, you have to talk about the hot topics them. And Alkaline was the hot topic in the dancehall. Alkaline really was the main danger in the dancehall where you have to talk about as a vlogger. But of lately, the dog too lay back. I feel like the whole lay back mysterious vibe there will propel him to a certain level. You can't bring him the rest of the way. We know
J.A. Raider, you're a madman in a dog. Why you contradict? Bro, you look like some fool in a media, dog. This man, I go say, Masicka. Brother, ask any vlogger in a dancehall right now, either out of Alkaline or Masicka, which one them get the most views off of? Bro, you're sick in your head, brother. First of all, your day you call Alkaline name. So what that show you say? You contradict yourself, dog. You make yourself look like a fool in the media right now, brother. You understand? Because Alkaline name been called. Remember, you know, Alkaline name make Masicka relevant, you know, because the people them say, yo, Masicka coward him afraid for war Alkaline. It's been in the war, bro. Alkaline not even in the war. Josh had this him. Black Rhino had this him. This artist had this him. Tamilia call him out. Bro, only Alkaline, Uncle Masicka no call him name, brother. And people been a say him a coward. How much artists, Devin the doctor, found out and say, yo, him a coward, him afraid to clash. How much people, brother? So what you say, Alkaline make Masicka relevant to, brother. You understand? It's like when you not realize. Cause you are talking about a clash with Alkaline not involved, but you involve Alkaline right now if you say, yo, nothing go on this 2026. Bro, see Masicka do a show with you. I dress them just up a goat and flap him career, brother. So I don't know what you are talking about.
Some of some things in the works. We see him plan for drop a app or something. I don't know what the app all about. Maybe it's a direct link to him fan base where them can purchase his music instead of you go through Apple and them. You know, say Spotify, everybody take a percentage. So Alkaline is a consummate businessman. Them man they think about $1 down to his cent. Them man they not drop no catch when they come on to money. So I want to make sure say every cent a funnel right in a film business directly, which is smart. Any businessman should. If you have the type of buzz there, you should. Yeah, get an app designer for real. So kind of see that at the direction where Alkaline kind of go towards. Maybe must say you have a catalog right now. Because we see overseas, the way people sell them catalog. And catalog is enough for sustain you.
And you say if Masicka did a pre that wrote there, maybe he would have more bigger in a dancehall right now. But him a pre if it be so many animals and reptiles in the game, so much. That's why music them a stream only in a Jamaica. Because him now pre the bigger picture. Alkaline do him for do already. Alkaline clash him for clash already. Do him for do. The youth are stay focused right now. I build him up. I build him thing and structure him thing right now. Everybody knows that Alkaline being ready for war Masicka. Everybody knows that Masicka a coward. Him not him afraid for war. Alkaline, everybody see that. So Alkaline now I focus on him career, build him up. Him have an album I forward out this year. So bygones be bygones, bro. Tammy Lee, if you ask the street right now, Tammy Lee about Masicka. So right now, it don't make no sense Alkaline go war a dead man, brother. You understand? It's like if Masicka can't make a strong move off a Tamil, Alkaline, you feel him a good brother. Yo, Chado, that mad man, you know.
Alkaline have a massive fan base. He have a massive catalog in the dancehall. Him actually don't even need to drop new tune based on the type of songs that we have right now. We have songs with all 100 million streams. So I guess I'm work on the catalog to say, all right, we can live off of this as the generational wealth. But if you talk about relevance, you know, you have to put in a lot of work. A lot of work.
Yo, dog, yo, mad what? People, I will put J in their feelings. The man say relevancy, he must go put in a lot of work. When him there start talk about Alkaline, dog, him not talk about popcorn, him not talk about some artists where we not in the topic, brother. The man has a bro, Alkaline is relevancy, brother. Hear this about there. Alkaline name call him most. You don't realize. I him the people. I him there. Because if Alkaline wasn't the man in a 2026, you wouldn't dare talk about Alkaline, brother. So it show you, dog, you contradict yourself, brother. It's like, to me, people him just forward out. And I must say, you know, I delete couple video off of my channel now and delete the live them, you know. What I can do now if I get a viral moment. You know what? I try compare Masicka with Alkaline, you know. And that you do, brother. You better you forward and say, yo, I want some views. Yo, Alka, yeah, brother. Better you did do that.
I feel like say Tammy Lee come in and just completely sweep the rug underneath film foot right now because him there. I feel like him should call Masicka name Brawlin still. A lot of people out there talk about, yo, Masicka for call. Why Masicka? Masicka never need to call Alkaline name none at all because him have his song name, him have his streets, him have everything I go on film right now. Why would I waste time and call him my name? But Alkaline should have do something similar, you know? Him should have really run with it because if Masicka and Alkaline they go at it, yo, we'd get a far better clash still, you know? Big up to Tammy Lee, we get a good clash, but nobody was actually expecting it. It just come out of nowhere, but we appreciate it. We appreciate.
Yo, people, this man has a far better clash. Brother, then if Tammy Lee rub out Masicka, brother, then what you expect say would have happened with Alkaline and Masicka, dog? Eh? Tammy Lee, the man was sing about cartoon and Dora the Explorer. Eh? The man you swipe and no swiping and swipe out Masicka head, brother. You understand? Yeah, shoot out Masicka head. So, brother, yo, man, I tell you, dog. The man head, yo, J.A. Radio. Brother, if I this a further 2026 with dog, it don't make no sense, bro. You make yourself look like a fool for the media, dog.
Get a clash, no lie, and all of the gimmicks where Tammy Lee go on with and the interview and all that. We can tell say Tammy Lee want the smoke, right? Like I said, call up Masicka name and you think I got shot. Listen, Masicka as a youth were well focused. Forget so much back to back hits. It take creativity, it take a lot of planning, it take a lot of things, yo. Remember?
Bro, back to back hits. Brother, you know me realize, you come like every song with Masicka. You see the song them when Masicka drop? When not it, them not talk about that, you know. Them not bring up that, you know. Them not bring up them the song there. If you check the amount of song when Masicka release, seeing, you know, say look here, the song them when release and the collabs them when do with other people is very higher than the one where them say are hits. Oh, Masicka do hits, bro, but it only a chart in a Jamaica. I don't understand. Why? Alright, first of all, you just talk about Alkaline catalog right now, right? And Masicka in the game from 2015 in boss. Seeing Alkaline at 2013. And you're telling me, you say Alkaline now for job, now it can have a good catalog. But Masicka have it out here. You know, keep on talk about hits, and him can't build a good catalog yet. I don't understand that, people. And him only a chart in a Jamaica. That now make no sense. With a sign to an international label, bro. It's like, bro, you not try hype up a man when I reach nowhere yet, brother. You understand? Because I'm my only artist where you see sign to an international label and only a chart in Jamaica. Skilly bring them sign Shensia. Or overseas we see them thing ago. Why him still there Jamaica? I tell people say brother, Def Jam there Jamaica, brother. Def Jam company is not in the US, in Jamaica. That's why. That's why, brother.
I know, yo, forget them type of hits. Masicka have to make a lot of songs and then pick and choose the right song for release. It take work. Masicka have the best rollout I've ever seen in a dancehall. Notice all them songs them hit. Him tease it first and him give like a snippet and him give like a ray and him try to make anticipate. You won't wait all 2 months. I make a year and feet and I say, yo, when Masicka go drop this? That's
Bro, that's capping, brother. Capping that, bro. That where you thought this or that a Alkaline. Stop it, dog. Masicka always a release song, bro. Stop it. People always say, yo, Alkaline, you know drop no song. Wagwan. Stop it, brother. You understand? And the man say Masicka get a full. People, you know hear what that brother you talk? J radio. Dog. Yo, when you get the IQ from, the man say Masicka get the what? The biggest rollout in a dancehall. You sick? Yo. Brother, Masicka buzz from 2015, dog. 2015. And we in a 2026. Brother, and where the mass people start talking about Masicka the real way, bro? Where the Masicka Prime to me was last year, brother. That are the most, even the Clash, that is the most people talk about Masicka, brother. One time Masicka was not that type of artist, brother. So I don't know what you talk about run. What kind of run you talk about? I must run and stop at Manly Airport.
when I say lacking in a dancehall right now. I feel like a lot of artists them just like to dash out, and just hope say something stick. Masicka gonna do that. It's more the opposite. So I have to give the youth in flowers still. That's all I'm saying. We have to give the youth in flowers. But right now, Masicka look like the main danger of the dancehall. To Alkaline right now, come to say Alkaline, bro. It's kind of hard for you to say you did have this. Like a face facts. It was like Kartel 1, Alkaline Deuce, Masicka 3rd. Completely flip that right now. 1 and 2 and 3. It kind of up in the year right now. Who a lead? We see Vybz Kartel have some crazy streams for 2025, right? Big up to Vybz Kartel, not change, but we have to understand the generation kind of different right now.
Brother, Vybz Kartel like always stream, dog. Man have a huge catalog. You understand? No doubt about that, brother. You understand? But I don't know. I kind of realize, say, your bridging, when you're Biggs, your name a bridging, and I know your name sit down and talk, you know, and a Masicka an artist, so I understand. So maybe we not try promote Masicka thing right now, because I realize, say, alright, the guys are not with him no more. Tommy Lee rub him out, New Year forward, then put him up on a stage with a goat dressed up in a crop top and jean shorts, yeah, and the thing kind of look away. So I kind of realize, say, yeah, you just try make something, make it look good, make it here look good for him, which is not.
And I use them time, I use run music. So it's like Alkaline and Masicka battle. If you say who the 1, Deuce, and 3rd. We don't even tell me in the chat room right now. Place the artist them in the hierarchy right now. As it pertains to 2026. How would you place Alkaline, Masicka, and Vybz Kartel? So these are some of the conversations we're having at dancehall for 2026. Because they don't know, it's a gladiator sport. We say it over and over and over. And
right now, you are talking about place about artists. Right now, the guys are people who are going to place Masicka as 3rd. Remember, say them, bro, you know how much people messy forward out I use Alkaline name, say, yo, Alkaline name, if you get the respect, you know, I'm never this Kartel, and yo, Masicka a snake. I want you, I have to give Alkaline him credit. So you can go and stay there, you know, dog. But kind of realize that you in your feelings, you know, because Kartel never endorse you or give an interview from your forward out. You understand? And that's why you even push out this Masicka thing right now. You see me, because guys are people I'm not with you, dog. You see me, they're with you.
Any young artist coming up and understand, say, yo, I know the arena you're there. And when you're in the arena, dog, believe there's certain criteria. Right now, I say still, Alkaline have to put in some work for 2026. It's like,
so wait there. I'm glad him even bring up arena. Since you said arena. People, when last year, when Alkaline had do UK, the arena, the Wembley in a UK, and Kartel had them arena them and everything, where was Masicka? Where was Masicka in that conversation? More know, because you talk about arena and all of them look thing there. Seeing, you maybe not based on that pointer, but since you said the word arena, I'm going to ask you, say, arena season did I go on? And Masicka is not in that topic. Who for headline them show, Masicka is not in it. You understand? So you show, say, brother, at different levels. You see, different levels, brother. Because right now, Masicka thing they right just on the ground. Masicka can only just walk out to the airport. See, and just go on easy. Yeah, him not gonna reach on the plane. Maybe down the line we see what go on. But you are say Alkaline for 2026. You not gonna see what go on. Remember, you know, I just 6 hours. People about 6 days ago. A 6 day we got it that year, brother. So you are gonna realize what gonna happen.
New year, the complacent, the quiet thing, the mysterious thing that now work again is a social media era right now. So Alkaline have to put in some work right now. Yo, bro, you have to step out and call him brawling. Because we know your capabilities, we know you're willing to do it. We see your class 6. Your class 6 when them just found out in the game 1 year. So it shouldn't cost you nothing for say, yo, Masicka, you want a piece of the action there. It wouldn't even look that way. Nobody.
So brother, then if Alkaline in the media, people, come down a sense, you know. If Alkaline in the media, brother, and Alkaline name a call up more than who in the media, then what that tell us, brother? Eh? If a man in the media and female name a call up more than a man in the media, it don't make no sense then. It show you say the man is the man. Him and the dancehall me in danger. Cause you try give him want a name you try give Masicka and nah stick. You understand? Uno every day you get up, uno take people name. Me never know say Masicka microwave now. Me think of the popcorn. You understand? But I fool no think that.
Even say, yo, Ray. You get me? I say, I feel like the timing would have been right now. And that would have completely just. The only person who would have lose out of this right now is Tamale, because Tamale kind of enjoy the wave right now. But I feel like a Masicka versus Alkaline would have just make more sense, because it look like, yo, which fan base are going to take over after Vybz Kartel, right? After the Gaza. Because Vybz Kartel can't out of forever. Vybz Kartel can't out of forever, dog. Vybz Kartel put in years of service, and if I understand that. You know what I mean? They're on a different level, a different plateau. So it would have good if we could have just take Vybz Kartel out of the equation altogether. And then we just have genocide versus vendetta.
Bro, yo, me tell you, brother. The Gaza man, them not loyal, bro. The man said take Kartel out of the equation. Then, if you are say, Alkaline not relevant, and you say Masicka are the man, but you want, in 2026, you want to see a clash between Alkaline and Masicka, brother. Yeah, make it show you, say, brother, Alkaline have the more relevancy over Masicka, because you wouldn't forward in 2026, brother, and I say all of this. Say, clash and all of them little thing there, bro. Me did think say the clash thing move on. But I guess you want Masicka to get back a little life in the game right now, because look at the Gaza fans them left Masicka gone, you know. And you now realize, because me you talk about vendetta and crooks. Brother, no crooks not there, brother. Me I tell you, the swamp dry up. No crooks not there, brother. All of the fan base gone over this dog. Yeah, you know see man drop a EP, where that go? It come like, yo, them people not see what going on, you know. But I get, when the reality hit, them I go see what going on. Yeah, man.
Right? And we just don't say, all right, a vendetta versus a genocide makes sense. I'm talking the truth right now. Vendetta, yo, genocide, go on with it right now. All of the wave the way you used to enjoy as vendetta, yo, that genocide time right now. One time, it's like genocide never really did exist. It just seemed like something like where movement is real. So, vendetta, we now work for the New Year. That's all I'm say. We spot on the top of the pole right now. Look like a third place, you know? Probably all fourth, you know?
Yo, the area that dog, what did I feel is dog? Yo, dog, man, tell you, bro. Yo, brother, it's like people, it's like him know, say him a talk, but him a talk trash. It's like him a say it, him can't even look in at the camera. Him a feel look left, right. You can't know when somebody know, when them a talk, them no mean what them a say, brother. You understand? Because there's no way, bro, Masicka no reach Alkaline level yet, bro. It's like you know see what I go on, brother. Alkaline, Masicka can't even headline a show by himself and I pull at least 10,000, brother. You understand? It's like, I'm sick dog, me I tell you no. But you see, you go and prep up and go and baby up Masicka in a game, you know. Go on, yeah man, go and do that, man. I say if him I go reach or if he reach.
Now go around it. Interesting to see. And we see the Chronicle in business. Chronicle ahead towards international too. So it's very interesting. It's gonna be a good year in a dancehall and with their feet. But yeah, definitely people just smile.
Chronicle aim to international. Yo, dog, man, tell it right. Yo, J.A. Radio, brother. But the things say have more sense, dog. In another video, yeah, bro, be a trash your talk, brother. But if you look a couple views, just go on with it. Cause we see say you delete your video, them, you try recharge, you try renovate back your channel. You know, I don't know, Alkaline and me in danger. You have to just go and use film name for you know. But people look out more for you where I'm going to call Alkaline here regular, you know. Just watch what go on. Yeah, man, can look at him not people, imagine. He must say Masicka the relevant man. But look at now, me know say a lot of people are going to draw into this. Because he might call Alkaline here. Him been a talk about Masicka. But nobody not pay no mind. You understand? But you don't know when you call the dancehall me in danger Alkaline, you don't know say it's a different level, a different thing that. Different kekla, you know? But you don't know enough people. I want media facts, you know. J.A. Radio. Just go and do your thing, dog. But stop make yourself look like a fool now, media, brother. You understand? Because a lot of people are going to hear this and know say I be a madness here, dog. You understand? If you try build back your channel, build it back with some facts. Yeah, man. Just build it back with some facts. Like I was to say you delete your video them and everything. You know, and the guys are not too with your car. You did feel away, bro. When Cartel forward out and you say this a man you get interview and this a man and you not get none. You switch up and you start say, yo, me no business, you know, yo, I dance all me say, you know. Yo, me no care, you know. Me dance all me say right now. Me no artist thing. Because you know you not get the interview, dog. So that's how it go, bro. That's why you even have prefer Masicka thing right now, cause you're not too like it, guys, I think. Cause they not really give you the energy, dog. But that's how it go still. You understand? I don't say guys, I think not too loyal, you see it. But I don't know one media facts, you know. You don't know a thing set, man. You see it? That is it.